Ladies and gentlemen, Keith from iRepair Autos. Happy Thursday. Quick update. I just wanted you to be aware of a Vin Decoder website for your Mercedes-Benz. It gives you a lot of nice, it basically just tells you everything about your vehicle as far as all of the equipment that's in there. So you just go to the website, type in the VIN number, and you scroll through. So let's get started and I'll show you exactly what I mean. So we're gonna go to mbdecoder.com, and it's www.mbdecoder.com. And once you're on mbdecoder.com, you'll be greeted with the free Mercedes-Benz VIN Decoder. Type in 7 digits of your vehicle. And what they've done, they also have some examples here. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose this VIN, but you can also enter your own VIN right there and then say submit. So I'm going to just choose this VIN as an example, and I'm going to just type it in: W Delta Delta 1173522N 325250. Submit. Comes back with the type of vehicle, so it has the VIN number. It's a Mercedes AMG CLA 45 4MATIC Coupe. Color, the interior upholstery, when it was made, very important, the order number, the production number. It also goes into the equipment: polar silver metallic finish, all of the interior leather. Comes with the operator's manual, package price control, rear view camera, lane tracking package, blind spot assist, active parking assist, left electric adjustable driver's seat with memory, interior mirror. And it goes into whether or not the car has window bags, knee bags, rain sensor, head unit. It comes from China, that's the radio, pressure monitor, automatic air conditioning, has a headlamp cleaning system, that's nice. Also tells you the year, it's a 2016, right? DVD changer, and it goes on and on into great details as to what comes with the car. So this is a very useful tool for all of us, especially if we're buying something used. Oftentimes it does not come with a listing of what the car originally had at the time of purchase from the manufacturer. So this goes into all of that. So when you're buying a car, you'll check off these items, make sure that if anything is removable from the car, that it's there. Obviously things like cruise control, tire pressure monitor, and things like that will be still in the vehicle, hopefully. But it gives you a good starting point to know what you're getting or what your vehicle currently has. If you're buying this car secondhand, for example, you'll make sure that the wheels are still AMG and they're 19-inch wheels. I've used this website in the past, and hopefully you'll find it useful as well. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. What that does, it pushes my videos up in the search results so that other Mercedes owners, drivers, do-it-yourselfers can find them easier. Thanks and peace out.